This lighting, I'm gonna be in my living room like, period. I'm ugly. No, but I'm gonna be in my living room pose. Hey everybody, welcome back to Asia Kamira TV. I took a small break, I guess, because I was like apartment searching and really just had a super hectic schedule, and I'm looking rough because I'm moving. I literally have been up. So first of all, I work late nights on the weekends, and I don't get off until like 3 in the morning. So I didn't get home till like 3:30. I didn't get to sleep till about 4 o'clock. And then once, oh Lord, this stuff is all over the place. And then once I got home, I went to sleep. And then I had to be up again super early because I wanted to get some boxes from Kroger or Walmart. So I had to get back up at 7 a.m. So I'm running off of 3 hours of sleep. As soon as I got home, well, I got some like cleaning up supplies and stuff like that for my apartment. And then once I got home, I started literally packing everything. So I've been packing since about 8:45, and it is now 2:36, and I'm headed to my new apartment finally. After packing everything up, loading my car, which it's packed, like literally all of my stuff that I had filled my entire car. Like, so I'm literally gonna have to be like super safe driving over here. I have about a 40-minute drive to my new apartment. Oh my gosh, I don't know. I have about a 40-minute drive to my new apartment, and yeah, this is gonna be quite a day. And I have to be at work in about 5 hours, and I was supposed to attend an event at 5, so in 2.5 hours, and I just don't think I'm gonna make it. Of course, I'm gonna unpack some of this stuff for my car, but I don't think I'm gonna get that much done. So it's just a hectic day, but it's a happy day because your girl is moving somewhere new, and it's beautiful, and I can't wait for you guys to see. I'm gonna give you guys an empty apartment tour, and it's gonna be live. I just hope this stuff doesn't follow me while I'm driving. That's the only thing stressing me out right now, is because I can't see out of my rear view or my side, just only my driver's side. But it's all good. It's all good. So I'm about to go. I already signed my lease. So the only thing I have to do is pay my prorated rent for the rest of this month, and then I get my keys because my electric and everything is already installed. And I'm just excited, y'all. I can't wait for y'all to see. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, so I just arrived. I have a little care package that they gave me, or my apartment locator gave me. I'm looking really ratchet, but don't worry about me. I'm headed to the apartment now, and I will be right back as soon as I get there. All right, hey guys, welcome to my apartment. It's pretty small, but it's perfect for me. Get into this. Don't worry about my nail. I broke it while I'm moving, but these cabinets are extra litty. Period. Now, I think this is where my washer and dryer is. So it's kind of like when you first come in the door. Let's see. This is my stainless steel dishwasher. And I love this big AF sink. And get into this backsplash. So freaking pretty. Here's my stove. You know your girl gonna get it popping up in here because I love to cook. My microwave. Then, you know, there's some drawers. I'm gonna, you know, make it look really pretty once, you know, I get settled and everything. I love this. I love that I have the dual doors. I guess someone decided to leave a water in my fridge. Very tacky, but that's okay. It's okay. Here's my freezer. Pretty cool. I don't even know why I'm telling you guys, here's my freezer. Like, what? I was disappointed when I saw how small the living room and everything was. It's tiny. When I say it's tiny, it's tiny. So I think about here, I'm going to attempt to place my dining room table. My dining room table is kind of large, so I'm not sure. And then here's the living room. It's tiny, like I said. But I feel like once I get my furniture and stuff in, it's not gonna be as bad. Okay, now this was the kicker. This is what really got me and really was the selling point for me, because your girl loves a good view. I needed a balcony somewhere, like when I get off work, I can come out, I can relax. Y'all, get into this view. Cool. Very pretty, so you already know. I'm gonna be taking some pictures out here. I'm gonna be cutting up, period. I'm gonna be cutting up. And then here's my teeny tiny AF room. Like I said, I can make it work. I'm feeling like I'm gonna have to downsize because I do have a queen size bed. I'm probably gonna have to get a full size bed, unfortunately. But I'm gonna make it work. I don't know, like, you guys give me some ideas, even though I'm already moving in today, or getting my keys today. I don't know if I'm actually gonna move. I'm gonna pull my stuff into here, but you know how that goes. I just need to know, like, how would you place your bed? This is the entrance and this is the room. How would you place a bed in here? Would you put it up against like this wall, the middle? Would you do it like sideways? I think that's ugly. But I'm obviously gonna have to have it on this side because my connections for my TV is here. And that sucks because I wanted to mount the TV. It might have to get mounted under this thing. That sucks that that's there. But we'll see. So come into my restroom. I freaking love this restroom. I love my sink. I love this mirror. This mirror, hold on, y'all, I'm not giving y'all enough justice. Let's flip this. This is the mirror. And then this is my cabinets. I'm gonna let the dust has a storage area up there, but this freaking shower, man. This thing is huge. This thing is huge. And check out the resting space for your back. Teeny tiny little walk-in closet, but it'll work. It has plenty of areas for storage. There's a rack up there, a rack here, and then it also has a built-in drawer. And then we have a rack here, here, and then over here. And then plenty of shelving. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. But yeah, so it's a little bit larger than I remember. But yeah, overall, guys, I'm so excited. I can put a cute freaking like vase here or a plant. I don't know. Give me some decorating ideas if you have any, because I have an alarm system that I am gonna get activated because your girl's not playing around at all. Not playing around at all. And I'm up here like chit-chatting with y'all, and I forgot I have groceries in my car that I need to come put in my fridge. And I'm gonna update you guys once I do get everything set up and looking good we'll be back with another apartment tour once everything is set up and Gucci. The lighting, that's another big thing for me. This lighting, I'm gonna be in my living room like, period. I'm ugly. No, but I'm gonna be in my living room posing. The good thing about the living room though, I do like this up here. So I'm trying to see if I would be best off putting my, let me turn sectional across that wall. I was kind of wanting to separate the kitchen and the living room and putting it like this way. Can you see right here? And then it would come out this way, and that would like section it off, and it would be just like the living room there. But I'm not sure, because I have like an outlet here for my TV, an outlet there, and also one over here. So either way it goes, like probably won't have a TV there just because I'm gonna put my dining room table there, possibly. But yeah, we are home. We are home. I do want to take y'all real quick through my little goodie basket that my apartment locator brought me. She has in here some Kleenexes, paper towel, which is awesome. I'm gonna need that. Paper towel, dog treats. I don't have a dog, but thanks. Some laundry detergent, which I just bought a big, huge thing of, but that's definitely gonna come in handy. Also some laundry sheets, masks, and then we have for my dishwasher, then a scented soap bar. I might just use this in my kitchen, put a nice little cute thing there, but yeah, because I don't use scented soap in my body. Mary Kay alcohol antiseptic hand sanitizer. Awesome. I love this. I'm gonna put this up right now. Kitchen towels. You know you're growing up when you get excited about stuff like this, because these are super cute to me. I don't know how long they're gonna be up there, but they're cute for now. And some dish detergent, which I bought today too. But hey, I am beyond grateful. It's beautiful. I don't know if I showed you these to wash dishes with. That's awesome. Yeah, that was so sweet of her. This makes me like super duper excited to even just be here now, you know? There's nothing like a nice warm welcome. I can't wait to get in here and deep clean. I really only have one thing of carpet, so I won't really have to vacuum too much. But I am gonna mop, and I really don't have to sweep right now, but I am gonna mop and deep clean everything, because I know a lot of people have toured this apartment. I literally just toured this apartment. When was it? Friday. Was it yesterday? No, yesterday was Friday. Thursday. I toured it. I loved it. Got approved. And I was like, this is it, baby. Literally, the view is what got me. Because me, I'm a big person that needs to de-stress. Like, I'm huge on de-stress. Like, I'm huge on relaxation. I'm huge on having an escape me. The lady above me or whoever lives up there is stomping. That sucks. But that's okay. But this pool, man, just to come out, I'm going to really decorate this up. This is going to be nice. This is like a nice size balcony. I'm going to decorate that and make it really pretty. I want to look at this light. Oh, yeah. Before I go back out into the world, I forgot to show you guys what's in my card. me. I love this basket too. I can do something with that basket. Says, $100. Yay, to go towards my move. Okay, and I had some business cards from her that I'm gonna share. You know, she does give you money for referring people. It says, Asia, congratulations on the new apartment. Enclosed is your rebate check and my cards. Please let your friends, family, and coworkers know about me. I work off referrals and they are very much appreciated. Be well, Sherry. You be well, Sherry, because you helped me. And I look rough, child. I look rough. But yeah. Y'all, I look like can't get a hold of me. Hallie from Losing Isaiah. That's what I look like. All right, guys. Thank y'all for watching. Oh my gosh, this lighting is bomb. But thank y'all for watching. I love y'all so much. And bomb videos, bomb pics, everything coming soon. Follow me on Instagram if you don't already. It's going to be linked in my description box below. And subscribe to your girl. Subscribe. All right. Thank y'all for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions or anything that you would like to see next, go ahead and leave that in the comments below. Show your girl some love. Yes, I'm super excited, and y'all just stay tuned for the rest of the journey, because we lit, baby, we lit. I love you guys, and I'll talk to y'all later.